Hey guys, this is so awesome. I just want to tell you about it. This is a listening device, and this has been so helpful in my business. It's made by Leaktronics, and especially in today's scenario, I'll show you. But it just helps when there's a known leak. It really helps you identify and get to where it's at. And it's really helpful for underground leaks, in-slab leaks, in-wall leaks. And I'll show you how I'm using it today. It's made by Leaktronics. This is their LT1000 amplifier. Comes with the aquaphone, comes with the listening rod, multiple sections. I only need the short section for what I'm doing, so check it out. Customer has a leak. Directly on the other side of this tankless is a bar sink. This is a really nice house. He opened up the cabinet this morning and he filled all the hot moist, and you can see some water damage inside his cabinet. He knows directly on the other side here is this tankless. So where is the leak coming from? We know it's on the hot water side. Well, came out here, he turned off his own tankless. The leak slowed down. So we know it's on the hot, but we don't want to just go opening up too much sheetrock. So we're just going to pull out the listening device and kind of get us a little bit closer to where the leak's at. So I know this is a tough spot, but check it out. We have the cold water line here. It's got a recirc pump, so the recirc line ties into it, mixes with the cold. It comes in and the cold water feeds the bottom of the tankless. Goes through the heat exchanger, comes out hot, does a little loop-de-loo with that little flex connector, comes up here 3/4 and goes into the wall and feeds the house with the hot water piping. Somewhere at the furthest fixture there's going to be a T, and there's going to be a dedicated third line that comes back. That dedicated third line is the recirc line, and it comes out of the wall right here. So this comes up, it gets pumped, goes through that pump, gets pumped into the cold water line here, and feeds the tankless. So we know to hold our listening gear on the recirc line and also on the copper hot water line, and we'll see which one we hear a leak on. Okay. So turn the power on. Just hold it on there like that. Unmute it. Have a listen. Okay, I'm gonna let you have a listen too. Okay, here we go. Let me take my hand on it. I'm not touching anything, but okay, here we go. Unmute. Okay, now I'm going to hold it on the recirc line. 1, 2, 3. So it's good, huh? And that's exactly where we start. Okay, so we've narrowed it down. Let me have that back. I don't need this anymore. So now, I already went to the crawl, and I can see those PEX lines coming into this wall. And the recirc line, they come into the wall right there, and it comes out right here. So the leak is going to be between here and that sill plate. And just looking at sheetrock, looking at water staining, it most likely is going to be in this lower quadrant. So we're going to start with removing the sheetrock down here, and I bet you our leak is going to be right there. Let's do it. But what that line does is it comes up here, turns into copper, 90s over and 90s out the wall right here. And we're able to find the pinhole leak. It's on this piece of copper just inside the wall there. Okay, so instead of opening up more wall and sheeting, what we'll do is we'll put a 90 on that PEX, we'll come out, we'll 90 over, we'll 90 up, and we'll tie into this copper right here with a press by PEX adapter. Turn back on, and we're good to go.